Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel, ODE. Today I'm going to do an unboxing video. This box took quite a long time to get here with all the restrictions because of the pandemic. Everything takes a lot of time, but I'm quite happy it arrived. This is a box of stuff that I bought in this store in Italy, Stilo&Stile, and I bought it because I was interested in one pen, and if I'm buying some pens, maybe if I'm buying one pen, maybe I can buy some ink, and I made a bigger order. So here it is. It was nice to get the free shipping, but I needed to spend a little bit more, but I think it was worth it. Now let's open this and see what is inside. Another Victorinox knife, of course, and let's just cut this. I won't like to cut this very deep, not to try to keep everything inside intact, and sometimes you don't need to cut this very deep. So lots of protecting stuff. I think this may be the receipt and the invoice and all that stuff. Yes, it is. You don't need this. And here we have the stuff. So let's start. I think I will start with the inks that I have to show you. And I'm much more into pens than into inks. Sometimes I feel that I should not spend too much money in inks because I could spare that money to buy pens, but sometimes there are inks we just need to have. And I bought 3 bottles of ink, not that much. This is the first one. This comes very, very well packaged. I think this could not break easily. And let me extract these. This makes the video longer because I'm fighting against packaging, but I think you all know how this is, and you can adjust the speed of the video on YouTube and go on. And so this is the Pilot Hiroshizuku ink, and the color is Tsukushi, and I was quite curious about this ink, and because it is a brown ink, I like brown inks. I think it's one of my favorite colors. There are pieces of packaging there. So this is a very beautiful small bottle. These bottles are quite expensive, and I thought this one would be a nice size just to try and to use because it will last some time, and then maybe I will buy more or not, but this is a very beautiful bottle to put into my ink bottle collection. And let's move on to another ink, and I think this one will do it. And this ink is an ink that I knew about for the first time. The first time I saw this ink was in Wasky Squirrel's YouTube channel, in his Pens in Use series, and every time he uses this ink I really enjoy to see it. So it was on my list for some time, and the day I ordered was the day that I thought it would be good to get it. And the color, the brand of this ink is the Rohrer and Klingner there, and the color is Alt Goldgrün, which is a beautiful shade of green, the kind of green that I like. So you can see I'm always on to greens and browns. And let's go to the last ink bottle, and I'll put the box a little bit aside, and I'll put this in this position for you to see it. And this is the final one. This is another Japanese ink. Recently I'm very much into Japanese stuff, stationery, pens, inks, and I think papers, because there are some items they have that are really exciting, and all their philosophy around inks and their culture makes me want them more. And this is really a very beautiful box and very simple packaging. And this ink is the Kyono number 10 there, and the color is Ochiguriru. I probably said this wrong, but Portuguese people are not that good speaking Japanese. At least I'm not. And I'll need to open this. And here it is. I cannot show you the color, but you may have guessed. This is brown ink, the color that is there. So, and it is a beautiful bottle. I have here 3 very different kinds of bottles. And now, let's start to end the video. And in this package I have 2 things. Let me pick these again. Now I need to be careful, because I want to take this in one piece. And this is just a traveler's notebook refill. This is a paper that is very light and very thin. It reminds me of Tomoe River paper. I'm not 100% sure, but this paper is very good. Very good. I have one of those refills and I like it, and I needed one more for my Midori's Traveler's Notebook. And finally, a pen. And this pen is from, I don't know if it's written there, but it is also from Japan. So I have a package from Italy with stuff mostly from Japan. This is from Germany, but the rest is from Japan. And this is a sailor. This box is different than I'm used to. This is a sailor pen, and this pen is the Sailor 1911 Profit Kurogane. I'm not sure if it says like that, but you can check the name written on the description of the video. And this is a limited edition, I think, at least they say it is. And this is the same pen that I showed you before, and I like this a lot. But this one has all black, even the trim here and the ring and the nib. It is dark. Only the feed is transparent, but the rest is all dark. These are smaller pens, but they are very good. I really enjoy them. Some people say that it looks like Jinhao pens. I never used the similar Jinhao to this pen. Maybe someday I need to get one to make a comparison, but I really love sailor pens, their kind of feedback, and I like their quality, despite being a more expensive or a less expensive pen, and this one even has a cartridge that is not common in this range of pens. Converter, and the converter is also black. So this is what I expected, and I really enjoy it. These pens are not very cheap, and this blackish edition is more expensive, but they are not terribly expensive. This one I think is about 30 euros or 35 euros, and if I could spend all the money that I can, I think, and here we have 2 extra Sailor cartridges, if I had all the money I wish I had to use on pens, I think I would buy the whole collection. I will go and hunt all this collection of these very nice bright, this is not bright, but usually bright colors with transparent finishes. Very beautiful. So this is all I had to show you. I hope you enjoyed these kind of long videos, but I really like this stuff. So see you next video. Bye.